Do you want to start changing your life today? Do you want to learn French to be able to travel, study in a French-speaking country, work in a French company, or move up the social ladder in your existing job? Perfect! This course is a 5-day challenge with short daily exercises to begin your French learning journey. The goal is to make you discover French speaking, reading, and listening. I am a native French speaker, and I was lucky enough to be trained by the best at the French A-levels. My lessons are based on my online and offline teaching experience, with more than 900 students in South America and from all over the world. I asked them how I could improve their learning experience, and I built this course accordingly, focusing on pronunciation, with little chunks of conjugation, without tricky grammar, with quizzes and flashcards, with real-life examples, using images, gestures, and also objects, and learning phrases in context. I really want to thank you now for your commitment to this journey that we will take together. Let's begin the 5-day challenge so you can start your new French life.